Hello, survivors, hi, family, and friends. This is Roy from Bootsy's Sweetheart's Guide to Life and Other Disappointing Experiences, sharing with you why I no longer sing the messy bobbin blues. See how I organize my bobbins. Oh, those messy bobbin blues. If you're anything like me and you sew a lot, bobbins have always become a problem. Storing, sorting, and I've almost thrown in the towel on it. It's almost defeated me. Of course, oops, sorry for the noise. The standard is these factory made that come with the sewing machine organizers. Threads are all over the place. The cover breaks off right away, and you're constantly dropping it. So that hasn't worked for me. Then I thought of this brilliant idea of keeping the thread spool and the bobbin spool together, and I bought these useless things. They're not really made to work easily. They're certainly not good for arthritis. They don't fit through the they don't fit through the bobbin case like they're supposed to. So these were an epic fail. Well, I went the same route with another notion. Same exact thing. It goes in here and I can't get it off the bobbin. It's very difficult to get off the bobbin. So that was a fail. And now I'm weighing the advantages of being able to sort or store. Then I came across these little guys, and they have some usefulness. These are the better solutions for me, but not the best, because I use a lot of bobbins, changing the color a lot. Um, Anyone who does fiber arts does that. So this is where I was left off. What do I do? I have bobbins galore. Now I have metal bobbins and I have clear bobbins, plastic bobbins. The metal bobbins are for my semi-commercial juki, and the plastic bobbins are for the more decorative, lighter sewing. Right now I'm going to focus on the metal bobbins because they're the ones that I use the most often and change the most often. So what is my solution to this problem? Well, I'm still mourning the closure of Bed Bath & Beyond. However, they did have a solution for my particular problem. And who would have thought it has to do with a kitchen device for storing or hanging sharp objects, which I should stay away from, on the wall of your kitchen. It's a simple bar, and this particular one, which was by happenstance, I didn't plan on it, has two rows of magnetic strips. And I brought it home, and it didn't work for us in the kitchen. I didn't have a wall appropriate for it. So now I was left with my Bed Bath & Beyond knife holder. Well, by accident, I discovered that, not that these were magnets, but that they were perfect size for bobbins. Now, this doesn't seem to help, because if this is on the wall, you can't see the color. But this particular knife holder stores bobbins like this for me, or like this, and I can see the colors. I can sort them. I can do different size threads. So how do I use this? What did I do? This is my basic sewing setup, and Of course, I tidied up because I had you as company coming in. So I have my Juki here. It's the one I use most of the time. I have a printer, so I don't have to get up when I'm printing, and I have a label maker over there. This is the Singer Quantum series. This is for decorative sewing. I have the closet-made wire shelves where I can have many things at close range. I don't have to get up a lot to go across the room. I like to have things pretty handy, and this helps. You can see I have a ton of stuff. This is only part of it. Oh goodness. Anyway, so this is where I thought I could hang the knife holder. Now the bobbin case, the bobbin holder. So I took a piece of 1x2 and attached it to the overhang on the closet made with some pull ties to help it stay in place. And then I simply took the knife holder and screwed it into that 1x2, and the whole problem oops of messy bobbins, for me at least, was solved. And here it is. Now I can put my bobbins on the magnet, and I can see the color and how much is on the bobbin, and no more hunt and peck to find the right bobbin. Now, while this is perfect for bobbins, it has a lot of other uses. By being magnetic, I can store my hemostats on it. This is a tool for the sewing machine, a screwdriver tool. This is an extra foot for the Juki. That stainless steel won't work. This happens to be a metal one. I can store my bodkin. That's handy whether I'm using the Singer or not. I can store right at hand extra specialty needles. It has a myriad of uses, and it just seems to work for me. I don't have a solution right now for the plastic, but I don't use that many plastic bobbin. I don't use the Singer that often to require this kind of organization. I can't believe I'm organized at something. So anyway, so finding an unexpected use for something is a good thing. I hope you enjoyed my little creative problem solving. By the way, this is the post to my ring light. I have a big ring light up there. The label maker is for shipping. I don't have to have a separate labels section. I can still work on the same table, shipping things out as well. And it makes it very, very comfortable to work in this space while it is not cluttered. Oh, that seems to be the bane of my existence. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with someone who might be interested. Please give a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay smart, Stay well. Do something today to make yourself smile. And bye for now.